Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech with Ashutosh. Today I'm going to show you a new cool trick with Google Workspace and Gemini AI. And Gemini AI. So to start first, this will be a trick for Google Drive where you can access the contents of Google Drive without opening it. Plus, you can also get the summarization of it. So to start, make sure you go to this extensions and you enable this Google Workspace toggle. This Google Workspace should be toggled on. And now let's go ahead and create the prompts. So just you need to do is uh, click this at the rate, right at the rate, and select Google Drive, and you can give a prompt like. So what I did before this demo is I have kept an Ansible book over here, and I want it to summarize it. So let's check it out if Gemini can work it out. So it has found out the book, and here is the contents that it has found out. This was the book name, this is the drive, the book is structured in this way, and also we have got a direct link to check it. Let's try another prompt. So I have given a prompt like find ChatGPT related money making books and summarize the content. So it's again hitting the Google Workspace, Google Drive, and it has not able to find out. Let's write the prompt that document was not empty. Can you revalidate? So it's pretty weird that we got this response. Weird that we got this response. Let's check it out. Yes, now it has found out the details, but it has pulled it using the Google Docs, not using the Google Drive. So there you have it, folks. I hope you like this content. For more Google and ChatGPT based productivity tips, subscribe to my channel Tech with Ashutosh, and we will see you in the next one.